Imagine this, every text you send, every call you make, every video you speak, behind this, each one is a telecom industry which is consuming energy equivalent to powering a small city for seconds. Now, multiply that by billions of users worldwide. The result? A telecom industry that keeps us all connected but at a staggering cost. 40% of operational cost in telecom industry is energy related, and hundreds of thousands of tons CO2 are emitted annually, accelerating the climate change. We, the team SustainLabs, focusing sustainability. If you see around yourself, you see that your room is lit up by the lights, and the lights are being powered by electricity. The electricity is being made 80% by coal, which harms our environment drastically. And out of 100%, 80% of the consumption of the electricity is by the industries, focusing more, and 20% by households, focusing more on industries which consume the most amount of electricity. Is not chemical industry, is not any factory, is telecom industry. Telecom industry consume at 60% of overall electricity consumption overall, and out of that 45 to 48% directly goes to waste. Yes, you heard me right. Due to lack of optimization, real-time monitoring, and prediction, and due to the span of the devices get affected brutally. Solving this, SustainLabs presenting to you an innovative solution offering multiple features like real-time monitoring, renewable energy integration, smart optimization, energy trading, and global coverage. Not just it, we also provide advanced security of 2 having the potential to reach 500 plus telecom partners, 30% of average energy savings, and reducing a massive amount of 1 million plus CO2 carbon reduced. Coming to the down, you can see the features we offer are one of the major features is AI integration. With nowadays, a life of a telecom engineer is very hectic as they have to work in 12 hours shift because they cannot risk for to get a downtime. Replacing that hard work and constant effort, AI will be doing all that smart energy management via smart AI algorithms, renewable energy integration for a future generation. Coming to the next, let's get things started. After signing in, you can see it will redirect us to a sign up page where we can enter our credentials and ID password. Here I'm entering my login details, my login ID, and my password. It's been secured by blockchain technology, so the data cannot be pampered. Your data, your privacy will always be in your hands. Connecting things sustainability. Yeah, with just a simple click, we are redirected to our main dashboard where you can see and monitor things. You can see you have been logged in, my profile, sign out, and help out options. And now you can see the dashboard with all the dynamic and interactive data. This is all real-time data, not a static data. You can see all the values are constantly changing. All every data, every output of a sensor is being represented in beautiful graph format which is changing dynamically. You can see this graph. This is energy consumption graph, multicolored graph with real-time data changing. It will change the constant value. Wait for it. Yeah, you see it. Even the change is minimal, but the graph is constantly changing, just like this. So with the help of this, telecom industries can have the benefit of real-time monitoring at its peak. You can see the heat energy generation consumption and energy network map. It's all being observed and monitored by an advanced AI 24/7. And at any anomalies and faults, AI will automatically detect, do a deep root cause analysis, and inform you. This is our advanced AI predictive analysis, how it should go and how it will go, all the voltages, outcome, income. It will analyze, it will predict everything, and based on that, it will give you ROI and all the predictions you need. It has the real-time prediction. It shows the efficiency. So real-time weather analysis. Based on that, the adverse weather conditions have been affected. You can see all the cost-saving graphs are dynamic and keep changing over time. You can see all the AI-based suggestions and notifications, and you can see all the sites. User can see all their sites and manage their sites. They'll see all their site status, energy consumption, the analytics, and not just it. Coming on to the overview, user with just a simple click can download the whole data, whole real-time data, whole report by just clicking here. By clicking on export data, all the data has been downloaded to your device in a JSON format. You might be wondering why JSON format? Because all this real-time data been converted into JSON format and fed to our AI in order to do the real-time analytics. Coming on to the next, this is our telecom energy marketplace. This is one of our star features offering. So this is a telecom market operator. It offers a unique functionality in order to push users to not to buy and like for new things, but to share resources and utilize things at its peak. This is blockchain integrated with secured by blockchain, where you telecom operators can connect them blockchain wallet with the help of MetaMask and Wallet Connect. Here you can enter the details and connect your blockchain e-wallet. I've been instructed to not to reveal the thing in the video demonstration. You can see all the demonstrated data changes on the real-time basis, and you can see 5G codes, 4G codes, data centers codes, and AI will recommend me automatic packages based on my needs with the different priorities, moderate, high, based on the real return of investment, like implementation time and what is this optimization cooling. Let's say I want this energy package details. I can see full length and something. I can connect as the wallet and pay. Expected output efficiency increment. And moving on to the next, you can see constantly changing. This is an amazing one of a kind marketplace which offers a shared functionality between and brings the uniteness inside the telecom industry, not by just implementing another tower, but let's say your tower is damaged, you can optimize, you can lend something, and let be a sustainable developer, not just a evil corpo. Moving on to the next, this is a renewable energy integration because we think and we care. This shows us like beautiful weather conditions, cost savings, efficiency rating. We can see the solar emission, wind emission, and battery status. All those data will be changed on the real-time basis. You can see like all the data. We can click and see the overview. This is energy production graph based on all the renewable energies. This will keep changing. We have made the synthetic data. This is all dynamic and real-time data. You can see the energy distribution graph. Moving on to the next, as I mentioned that here, the data has been saved in JSON format, fed to our AI and RNN and CNN algorithm. It will gives us priority-wise recommendation based to optimize things, and like to optimize the efficiency, and you can see like different priority. If I click on view more, you can see low, medium, high. This is real time AI prediction based on the real time that it fetches. It will be dynamic load balancing, predictive maintenance protocol, weather adaptation, solar tracking. These are the active system alerts. This is energy forecast, like planning. You can see this is also real time based on the peak hours, morning hours, 10 to 2, evening, night. And this is long energy savings thing. You can see different things which we all crafted. Not just it, you can download all this different thing, data, AI recommendation, everything with just a simple click. You can see a beautifully formatted PDF will be generated. You can see the date and time. It will generate on the real time and the basis. You can see the everything, AI recommendation, active system alerts. You don't need to monitor everything all at once. AI will automatically monitor and automate things and schedule things for you and make things much easier for you, helping you and government to push net zero goals. Moving on to the next, network optimizer.
Here you can see a network optimizer. Here you can see the network status, which is, it will say good, critical based on it. You can see the speed test, upload speed and download speed. You can see the graph, like network performance history, how it is, if it is good or bad. You can see the upload speed, download speed here, and changes dynamically based on real-time data. You can see the security overview here. You can see the different connected devices that are connected. You can see tablet, smartphone, TV, etc., etc. You can see the status of each device, and you can see extra details. Here you'll get an animated graph of the devices connected to your network, whatever is there. You can see node 1 main router, smartphone 2. You can see all the devices connected here, and you can see whichever is active and the network status. Here you'll see the main router, network topology. Here you can see the network optimization. You can see how to improve the network by applying smart connect or QoS prioritization. You can see different graphs. You can see Q.
For advanced custom AI algorithms,
You can see 5 gigahertz. Here you can see the securities. Here you can see the security events and security score of each devices, and you can apply firewall rules. If you apply firewall rules, you will see that it will change whatever security threats there were and utilize it. You can see real time it changes. Next, we move on to diagnostics. We can run a real-time diagnostics. Here you'll be able to see how many packets were sent, how many packages were received, what is the package loss, what is the round trip details, the runtime and the time taken and the detail, everything you'll be able to see here. That's real-time diagnostics. Next, we can go to the quality of service. Depending on the service we are using, we can optimize it. If we're using gaming, we can choose to gaming, web browsing, we can opt to web browsing, and we can also see each device and how it is being used.
moving on to the next, let me introduce you to the disaster monitoring. Because let's say you're beautiful weather condition, but things will not always remain as they are. Things change with time. Having a brutal impact on the telecom sites can overlay a disastrous change in efficiency, drastic change in efficiency, but worry no more. With the advance of AI algorithms and techniques, we can change the every inch of it. You can monitor the every inch of it. You can see the beautiful like map integration. You can change the map from satellite view to topographic view to dark view. You can see all the maps, all the sites are being connected with the heat map generated on different colors based on different efficiency in the ranges. It's not just a simple graph and different sites. It offers and adding. You can see all the different like topographic view, the sites and the city views and everything. You can also see in the dark view. It analyzes and having advanced algorithms which will search for the like nearby site. Let's say one site is damaged, it will look for another alternative sites which you can share its network for. Let's say a big tower with 20,000 of your network is damaged. Now like two small towers or having 5,000 like capacity will replace it. You can see this is a neighbor view. It searches and let's say the tsunami or tsunami. It reduces the downtime, like reduces the carbon emission and gives the user a seamless experience and gives a praise to telecom industry for having a continuous connected thing. It have all the connecting measures. You can change disaster mode, 3D view analysis, and you can see even check your like currently it's on system. You can see the health status of your equipment. If I click on the status, you can see AI been actively recommended that this component needs maintenance, and the maintenance schedule of for 7 days. You can see the temperature, you can see the efficiency trend, and being actively monitored by AI, and AI will automatically suggest when and exactly this component needs and maintenance. Moving on to the next, you can see the power supply. Currently no disaster, nothing bad is happening, so everything is zero, everything looks go. This is system overview, and moving on to the next, you can see the real-time AI recommendation based on the like effects and like disasters we are making. You can this is a real-time consumption. Let's simulate a disaster in order to demonstrate how capable and strengthful and our system is. We have simulated a hypothetical disaster. Now you can see anomalies in system, 4 critical sites, and all the system sites are showing errors. Different locations are sites are showing error. You can see how reliable the system is. Clicking on to the next, you can see the red thing. Let's jump to the satellite view. You can see the potential damage detected on this site. You can see based on that this is specific. This is the location of the site. Now it will automatically heal itself, and you can see the triangle has been generated based on it looks for alternative sites. How you can reduce the time, or you will send the engineer to repair the sites as soon as possible. The advanced disaster algorithm, it analyzes and provides the best network range, reduces the time. And clicking on to the next, you can see the specific integral university size. You can click on the machine paths, power machine, 3D view, and advanced network optimization. Like choose the machine paths, it will only show me that advanced detection mode. Let me just click it and turn it on. Now, as I've turned on, you can see it pulse rate, and yeah, it searches for the anomalies and the, let's say rain to some, it searches for the nearby network and disasters thing. It like searches for the like how it can replace the network, and I says like it is completely, yeah, you can see all the different peers. There are the transformers, these are the needed. Okay, let's if one component damaged, because depending on that component, other components have been affected. So it analyzes and detects that and like diverts it to so that things will go on. Here I have checked the component, and let me just go through. You can see the damage detected, power supply, efficiency rate, how capable it is, how more it can hold. It actually see this. You can see the pump temperature and the system, the pump literacy and vibration of the pump. All the components have been managed and monitored by AI and been fixed. And let's move on to the, like, this is, you can see disaster has been managed and the, like, components are critically damaged. So it says replace this component immediately, and a huge energy loss has been detected due to energy loss. So as we see this component damage, so yeah, suggested is to replace this component. You can see the change in power supply also, like all the anomalies. You can see the system alerts has been one, and you can see during the disaster AI has suggested all this recommendation in order, they are constantly reloading and checking the real-time data and presenting is the real-time analytics in order to deal with this disaster. Moving on to the next, this is the maintenance part. We are just not monitoring, we have taken a further step to even maintain things while sitting on your desk. You can see all the efficiency analytics. Let's say your solar panel is collecting dust and this efficiency has been reduced, so you can check all that predictive maintenance recommendations based on the AI to maintain the protocol. Let's say your solar panels are collecting dust, it will fix that. You can see all the panels, alert history, all the what are the alerts came. You can check all the details of the active alerts. You can see these are all the different panels which are being used and which needed to be maintained. You can schedule the maintenance, or you can download the maintenance report in just a simple click. You can see when it's last maintained and when it's going to be maintained. AI will automatically manage everything, reducing all the manual logs and paper waste. Moving on to the sec, you can see the air quality and everything. You can changes and fixes everything by its own. Our AI is very capable. You can see all the percentage and everything. And moving on to the next, it's just not just monitor and shows you all the bunch of data graphs. We have put it a step ahead, showing you this is a 3D drone simulation, which will show you this is a drone equipped with multiple advanced sensors, just like heat sensor, ultrasonic sensor to detect X-ray and all the anomalies in the practical site. We will not just wait for the site to automatically get repaired. We will send a drone to check all the anomalies, so it will detect the fault and tell the engineer which specific exact equipment has been damaged and how much is damaged and needed to be repaired. It has the equipment to clean, like inspect, clean and repair. So let's change on the things. Let's click on the inspection. Let's tweak things on. These are the tasks appointed: inspect, clean, and repair. Let's simulate the flight. Now click on here. You can see the POV, point of view of the drone. This is how the drone operator would see. You can see drone is actively flying and going near to the site. It will go near to the site. You can see all the stats. This is metal detection, disintegration, heat generation, and all the sensors are detecting different data. You can see the wind speed. Drone is moving. Drone will go near. Currently the weather is clear, but drone. This is how drone will go near to the site and inspect, reducing the cost and the need of manual inspection, which takes a lot of time. As you can see, the temperature, humidity, signal strength is constantly changing based on the adverse weather conditions. The drone will automatically detect and complete its task. You can see the task has been assigned priority-wise, high, medium, low. Once I click on the complete task, it will complete its task, being the first task of inspection, cleaning, and repair, making things way faster and way easier, reducing the downtime, reducing the carbon footprints, helping the government pushing net zero carbon emission goals. And this is the gamification component. This component like helps and pushes a healthy environment between the companies and tells them, like motivates them to achieve sustainable goals by providing them blockchain-based rewards panels and blockchain-based rewards which cannot be deleted. Their e-certificates uploaded on blockchain. And like you can see, this is a leaderboard showing companies assisting. Coming up to the next, the gamification feature is not just about telecom industries. We pushed our boundaries, like showcasing our real strength, introducing things which you have never imagined before. So presenting to you are multiple components range, like interview preparation. In this component, all you need to do, just need to type the preference, like let's say whatever you are preparing for. Like let's say I'm preparing for a software developer. I'll enter the job detail, I'll enter the job description, which is, let's say I want to apply for a specific job role of a software engineer. I'll type full stack developer. I'll just enter the detail, I'll choose the number of questions, and after choosing the number of questions, I'll click generate AI interview. Now what AI will do, it will, as you can see here, I have uploaded the video choosing the questions, choosing 5 questions. Now it will generate the question based on the job description and title. It will access my camera. Yeah, hello guys, this is me. So this is a software engineer interview conducted by AI, completely regulated by AI. And this is the first question they have asked me. Describe the time when you had learned a new technology framework, quickly meet the project deadline. And this is the question being asked to me by my AI interviewer. I've been constantly monitored, and like my posture, my face detection been. Now let me answer this question. One time I had faced the deadline, and the deadline was very tight, so I couldn't complete my project on deadline. So I asked my colleagues to help me out in order to get the project completed on as soon as possible. Now after speaking, I'll evaluate my answer. You can see AI has evaluated my answer, giving me my answer a relevance score, a proper correct answer which I should have been spoken, and the suggested improvements, like it gives me what I should have spoken, what I have spoken, and how can I improve myself and enhance myself, giving me that my strengths and weakness, not just my improvements but also the weakness. Coming up to the next question, I can even go to the next question. Next question has been asked by the AI to explain the rest and GraphQL. I don't know this question. I would like to skip this question. Let's skip, and as I skip this question, it might give me 0 points, yeah, and it will give me the correct answer, strengths and weaknesses. You can see it give me the detailed insights of whatever we needed and whatever we have spoken. Coming up to the next. So this is the third question. Walk me through and count it. Okay. First, and the both like sometimes front end and the back end. So the contact with each other, you can see all these results, server side rendering and everything. Giving me my overall interview experience, overall recommendation, do not hire, as I just gave you a demo interview. In real time, you will get a better interview. This is the next component, real-time resume processor and analyzer. It will help you to enhance your resume, get you the ATS score, the ATS enhancer, application tracking system enhancer, resume feedback based on your feed. The resume will give you the feedbacks and match the keywords. Just it will match the keywords based on the job description in order to increase your chances to get your dream job. For an example, I'm choosing a resume here. This is a student's resume, Arunima's resume. I have selected. It will paraphrase the resume here, and I'll just type a job title here. For an example, let me type software developer, because why not? I have choose the domain of software developer. I've clicked it. Now you can see it will give me, okay, my bad, I have choose the option for the match keywords. So it have given me the keywords which I shall include in my resume for the software developer role. Let me choose the option for ATS score. Then it will give me the ATS score of my resume. I've clicked on the processing. Now it has given me the ATS score, which has been 45, like pretty decent enough. It tells us how we need to improve our resume in order to get a dream job.
Compatibility analysis.
And you can see, let's move on to the next component, learning paths. So this is also a very interesting component. Here you can learn anything, you can be whatever you want. Let's say for example, I want to learn artificial intelligence. Let me just type intelligence. Yeah. Moving on to the next, what I want to learn after a time, how much time I want to invest in learning this specific thing which I have mentioned. I want to spend 1 week, and how much I know so far. Let's say I'm a beginner, and what depth I want to learn. Let's say I want to learn like the practical applications of artificial intelligence. Moving on to the next. Now it will generate a complete roadmap with all the resources and guidance I need to specifically complete the thing. You can see technologies and the topics, introduction to AI/ML, machine learning, in step-by-step guide. What should I learn on my day 1? What should I learn on my day 2? Giving me complete roadmap, so I don't need to refer or go anywhere else. And you can like download this complete roadmap. Anything. It helps us to learn anything, anywhere at once. You learn it, not just it. Coming up to the learning videos, it will fetch you all the learning videos which you want. You can even create and upload a video. Currently, it's fetching and showing the sustainability videos. You can even play the videos on our platform. Just a simple click. See, you can play all the videos and learn more about, and it will help us to spread the awareness. For the more aware you are, the more safer your future generation is. Now, coming up to the next, this is AI-based sustainability assistant. This will help you and guide you in order to maintain your sustainability goals. And this is one of our star features. What this feature is eliminating the need of smartwatches and reducing the e-waste electricity. It helps you to measure your heart rate and SpO2 with just your smartphone, reducing the need of like things like stethoscope and this thing. Now I have put my finger on my camera, and now with the help of PPG photopolography, it's maintaining and calibrating my heart rate. Now you can see it measured my heart rate with 75% and my SpO2 as 97. It has currently the accuracy of 98%. It can be pretty useful in the scenarios of emergency where the immediate doctor attention or help is not available. With the help of this, we can utilize this in emergency condition, as well as to reduce the e-waste of smartwatches and everything. It's not a proper elimination, but it's a AI digital stethoscope. I can switch camera, I can turn off flash, turns and the flashlight on and off on multiple frequencies very fast to measure the redness of your blood vessels, and it will give you your heart rate, the heartbeat per minute, and SpO2. You can even get the real-time insights by clicking here. It will give me the real-time insights. You can see the history, you can see the profile. If I click here and I can see, click on the view detail insight, AI will give me detailed insights of my stress level, my health score, and everything. Coming up to the next, this is AI-based draft trees. What it does, it helps engineers to be better engineers. It helps you to draft, to convert a map to create. Let's say you want to place a tower and you don't know, like it will create a 3D AutoCAD graphs and like to generate 3D blueprints, which usually civil engineer does, where your tower should lie, reducing and the deforestation of not putting the tower in position. It will generate how many like square feet you have, how many rooms you need to plan, how many area you can say kitchen, master plan, master suite, all the requirements put here, and it will generate a 3D architecture plan blueprint for your thing, which is usually done by a professional architects. You can even upload your blueprint and it will convert into a 3D model. Yeah, here you can upload your plan, you can upload your floor plan, and it will convert into 3D AutoCAD project. Now coming to the next and the second last component, this is the profile. You can see this is Ayush, the telecom engineer. Here I can see my uptime, energy, frequency, and all the insights. You can click on the analytics. You can see all the analytics in the dynamic way or in the beautiful graph. You can see the network. You can see the network status, network uptime. I can see all my sites, how my sites are doing. You can see all my general reports, and yeah, reducing the like paper ways and paper logs. You can generate all the reports in beautiful PDF format, or you can even share it. Monthly consumption, you can see what you want to see: monthly energy consumption, network performance, and coal-based analysis. You can do the frequency, daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly. You can just type your email, PDF, Excel, CSV, and you can schedule the email. Automatically, reports will be generated by AI and will send to you on your email. And coming to the next, this is our AI assistant. Also, this is our advanced AI, which is context aware. It automatically gets my IP address and location. It will tell me my location, which is 30.3 degree offset. It greets me. I am your EcoNexus AI, and it tells me my location. It has its own memory. You can change the tone to friendly, professional, expert based on the work you needed to be done. Let's choose an expert mode to diagnose things. And let me ask it something. My name is Ayush. So I've told it my name is Ayush. It's not just any AI or Gemini or Grok implementation. We have especially made this AI context aware. Okay, Ayush, let's be professional. What do you want to learn? How can I help you? All those technicalities, it helped me because we have choose the technical expert mode. Now let me ask it, what's my name? In order to check that, is it, yeah, it told me that your name is Ayush. So it demonstrates that RAI is context aware. You can even change the tone, you can change the settings, you can see its memory. Username is Ayush, it recognizes everything. With every experience, every fault, it learns from its mistakes using advanced CNNR. You can download all the AI chat history with just like simple. All the reports have been downloaded as a PDF formatted. It learns from the user's past experience using convolutional neural network, RNN, CNN, and advanced ML models to get the best of its accuracy. So this was our project, Project SustainLabs. I hope you liked it. Thank you. We believe our project puts a lot of potential.